Hi everyone, I am unboxing a makeup bag from Ipsy for a friend of mine, so let's see what she got. The packaging is very cute. It comes with this little card, says ready, set, play, June 2023, give yourself permission to play. That's a cute little saying. And then it has True Colors, this cute little thing. And it's valued at $70, I guess. This is what it looks like, not out of the bag yet. So first thing when I open this beautiful bag, I see this little take the day off cleansing balm. Let's see what else I find. Benefit, what is this? Bronzer. Next thing I see in the bag is, what is this beautiful thing? Give Llama Beauty. And I'm assuming it's a makeup wand by the looks of it. Beyond repair for damaged or dry hair, hydrates. Awesome. And then we have this little brush. That's cute. And that's it. And it comes in this little bag. This is cute. This is all worth $70. Let me just see if I can open this to show you this little... She said I could open it, so we're going to open it. Look how cute this packaging on this is. Cute. Oh. It smells good, and this is what it looks like. It's cute little packaging it comes in. Cleansing balm. And then we have this cute little thing. I'm assuming it's mascara. This stuff is off. How much plastic on so much stuff? Yeah, I was right. It's a mascara wand. Doesn't that look awesome? And like I said, we have that leave-in conditioner, and we have bronzer. This looks awesome. Oh, it's right in the packaging like this. This is cute. Cute little unboxing. Like I said, there's a brush there. And yeah, this is from Ipsy. Like I said, this is the 2023 June. And it is worth valued at $70. So here's the website, ipsy.com, and yeah. And like I said, it came in this cute little packaging. So have a great day, guys.